What up to Sunday morning? Crazy night last night. Right here with my buddies. When you're a small business owner and you know you put everything into your business and you know you want it to run the best it can for your customers and the people that get you going. You know, I mean, I have a lot of customers. I have a lot of people that depend on us. You know, and then when I leave, I expect my business to run the same way. You know, and I leave it in the hands of people that I expect my business to run the same way. You know what I mean? And I know there's people that I can't count on. I know there isn't. I know there's people in my crew that I can't count on. Can't even count on them to show up when I'm not there. When I blatantly ask them to show up when I'm not there. You know, that there's people that I can't even count on. But there's other people that I expect them to show up. And I expect them to do the job. And then when they don't show up to do the job, you know, I know I've been talking about this a little bit already and ranting about it a little bit, but it's only because I woke up not hangry, but angry. Angry because I check my cameras and the shit's not even running properly. And it pisses me off because then it affects my business and affects everybody that's at the shop and people aren't handling their stuff there. Alright, I'm not gonna talk about this no more, guys. Promise. Let's go with barbecue time. Woo! Carne asada time. This way, guys. This way. We made it to the park, Rotary Park right here again. Here with the fam bams. My tia, hi tia, say hi YouTube.
¿A quién quieres que le diga hi?
A YouTube.
Ah, okay, YouTube.
Dale, papá. Dale.
Got it going on right here. Making some carne asada with tamales. Tamales, you know, Mexicans never go nowhere without their tamales.
Tamales de iguana.
Some chicken soup for the kids. Going down for them right now.
Isabela lo puso para el otro lado. ¿Cayó? ¿No se cayó?
We came back right here at the park with the fams. Just got done barbecuing. My Combs Bulldog.
I kind of went inside it.
My Nadia right here. Say hi, Nadia.
Hi.
Nomás yo pensé que no me pasaba la mano porque la
Hold on, hold on, hold on. You don't hold on, you're gonna fall off. Hold on. Round and round we go. Where it stops, nobody knows.
Oh my God!
Oh, it's a big fish, huh? Huh? Don't lean over the side, mijo. Made one last run to Bullhead City to get some food.
Bullshit City?
Panda. Huh?
Bullshit City?
To Bullshit City? I mean Bullhead City? Just kidding, guys. We like this place. The two little monsters right there.
Hey, no fighting. Let's go.
Say what?
What?
Where are you going? Why?
I don't want to be on YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.